Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings Kitchen. So today I'm super excited to guide you through how I make this simple, irresistible melt in your mouth butter cookies. It's so crunchy and it will practically melt in your mouth with each bite. Let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you will need: butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and flour. We cream together our softened butter and powdered sugar till they are light and fluffy. If you're enjoying following along with this butter cookie recipe as much as I'm enjoying sharing it with you, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will stay updated on all our delicious recipes and baking adventures. And if you found this video helpful or simply mouth-watering, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the joy of baking together. Now let's get back to baking this heavenly treat. Next, we will add in a splash of vanilla extract. Go ahead and add in a teaspoon. Let's gradually mix in our flour until we have a beautiful buttery dough. Before we wrap up today's baking session, I'd love to hear from you, our amazing viewers and subscribers. Do you have any suggestions or requests for future recipe videos that you've loved to master? I'm all ears. Drop your ideas in the comment section below and let's cook some delicious content together. At this point, you could fold in your chocolate chips or Smarties for extra burst of flavor, if that's what you're going for. So let's roll the dough into a small balls and place them on a baking sheet. And I'm just gonna repeat the process until our dough is ready to go. You could also place a cookie chips on top of cookies before baking. With our dough ready to go, it's time to shape our cookies. You could use whatever shape of your choice, but I will be using a fork. We will bake these beauties at 180 degrees for about 10 to 20 minutes or until they are light and golden around the edges. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please share this video with your loved ones, your friends, your family, and we will see you in our next recipe. Bye!